already engaging us, I think.
Careful.
So I said maybe move back.
I think we should go out on the field. No one here. Go. Go careful. Spiderweb, dude. Spiderweb.
Ah, bro!
Oh, you're fucked.
That's not move. I need to get that way. Yeah, I was hoping we could flank around, but there's like a ditch right there. Yeah.
So we're moving back.
Yeah, moving back. Good job. Moving back.
Do we have contact?
I think we should move on the side.
Did we receive contact? Alright, 7 Up, are you with us?
Yeah, I'll go with you.
Alright, let's go.
I'll get you back.
Okay, friendlies are moving up?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm gonna go back out on the field.
Probably. We're gonna see, I guess, if we could flank around through the forest, through a better side.
Alright.
Okay. Still recording.
I don't know if the snipers, if you got anything to see through there. Is that friendly?
Alright, we could probably go through there.
Watch out.
Here, I'll try to cover you, you move up. If there's any enemy contact up there.
Hey, we just have to keep moving up till we find them.
Wait, you see movement?
Oh, wait.
On the right?
Right in front of me, I think.
Alright, be prepared to engage if that's the case. I have my weapon on and ready.
Enemies right there. Enemies close.
Wait, was that a friendly?
Here's a guy moving back to us. He's looking directly at us. See right there? Why was he coming at us?
You think we should yell and see if he's friendly?
Friendly? Friendly? He's looking directly at us.
It's friendly.
Hey, I'm gonna go to the field.
Alright, let me check if I have a good amount of ammo. Hey, I'm gonna reload. Cover me. Always my problem. I'm always short on ammo. Alright, I'm coming. Or is this...
Few friendlies right up there. So watch out.
Is there any sniper teams or our sniper team up there?
I don't know. We got a guy at the corner. Down the forest. Or the forest. Oh! He's, get down, get down. You might want to get down the tree.
Hey. Okay, Grizz, I'm gonna move up to the tires. Try to cover me. Alright, hey.
Yeah.
You cover me, I'm gonna move up to the tires.
I'm out, I gotta go back to the
Damn.
Can't
All
really
right.
suppress them if there's force blocking. Let's move now.
Alright, do you think I should move east over there?
Alright, just go that way so we can get around. No.
Alright. See if I move up, if I could draw their fire. I'm gonna go in 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Helmet.
I got it.
Oh, pass my helmet.
Hey.
Thanks. My iPro is off for a second. Yeah, those are friendlies up there.
Friendlies are way up.
Alright.
You gotta move.
Alright, let's go.
Is this friendlies right there?
Possibly.
No. He's right here, right side.
My side? Okay, I'm trying to see movement. Alright, we have friendlies moving up on our right flank.
Are you out? You're out. Over there, I don't know. Stay inside of his arm.
You got hit, Jacob?
Yeah, there's like 3 of them. Yeah. You got 3 enemies to our right.
3 enemies to the right?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll see if we can engage them.
I see him. I had no visual, so... No, they're moving right there.
Oh, it's right over our heads.
Stay down. How far out are they?
Hopefully they're not.
We're getting cut up from behind? He's straight ahead, James. I'm seeing where the enemies are coming from.
Really got to stay low.
Yeah. We're trying to get him.
Hit! Hit!
Can we get a bearing?